your hands, I promised to make you proud. When I held your hand, I promised to stay your side. When I held you in my hands, I promised a new world, and when I held my heart, I made a pact to fill it with happiness. Life is a promise we need to do first to ourselves and then share it with others. Anu Dhanuka, a simple soul with a beautiful smile, age 39, hailing from beautiful land of forts and palaces, Rajasthan. Who is not only a daughter, wife, mother, an artist, a fitness enthusiast, a business professional, but also a woman who believes in her dreams and is constantly working towards it. As she says, you become what you believe. Anu Dhanuka says, my parents not only taught me my life's first lesson of integrity and gratitude, but also showered their immense love, which built that confidence in me that allowed me to take and respect my own decisions. My upbringing helped me to grow as a person that is capable of bringing that beautiful curve on everyone's face. Anu Dhanuka believes in living life on 5 P's: power, passion, politeness, peace, and patience. Let's now talk about Anu Dhanuka's achievements. Anu Dhanuka is the Vice President of International Foundation of Women 2020. She achieved India 500 CEO Award 2020. She is in the top 50 Tech Leaders 2019 in Innovation and Technology by Intercon Dubai. She is also in the top 51 Influential Leaders of Gurugram 2019. Anu Dhanuka got Women of Influence Award in 2019. She got prestigious Indian of the Year Award 2019 by GPEN. She is the winner of Indian Icon Award 2019. Anu Dhanuka is the winner of Global Icon and Mrs. India Worldwide Confident in the year 2018. She is also the face of Tiranga and LA Genius 2018. Besides all this, she has bagged many other titles. Being mother of 2 daughters, she never stopped herself from pursuing and chasing and live her dreams. Her love for her children has encouraged her to sponsor education of 2 girl child. Not only walking on ramp in international fashion weeks, but she is also a renowned artist, professional baker, Karuna Reiki master practitioner, social activist, Zumba instructor, yoga trainer, and marathon runner. Anu Dhanuka with her partner Gunjan Dhanuka is the founder and CEO of 3 companies: Dhanuka Electrotrek Private Limited and Kyasa International and SaferCart International. Anu Dhanuka launched Safer Buddy Kids smartphone watch, which is now becoming a need of parents in current times. It helps in always keeping a touch with your child. Anu Dhanuka has proved that if a woman decides for herself, she is unstoppable. मंजिलें तो मिल ही जाएंगी, भटकते ही सही, गुमराह तो वो हैं जो कभी घर से निकले ही नहीं।
बड़ा ही खूब कहा है किसी ने, where there is a woman there is a magic। जी हाँ, बिल्कुल मैजिक होता है जहां पर भी एक महिला होती है, और महिला भी जब वो पूरी एक उदाहरण हो और 100 पर भारी हो, तो ऐसी महिला के होने से तो मैजिक होता ही है। तो इस मैजिक को लेकर आई हूं मैं आप सभी के साथ। हमारे साथ है आप न्यूज मीडिया 47 की सीरीज स्पॉटलाइट सीरीज में। मैं आरजे आरती मल्होत्रा आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ दोस्तों। और आज हमारे साथ स्पॉटलाइट की सीरीज में बहुत ही खास और प्यारी सी मेहमान मौजूद है, लेकिन सच्ची बताऊं तो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि उनका जो इंट्रोडक्शन है वो मैं किस तरह से दूं, क्योंकि कोई एक चीज हो तो मैं बताऊं, शी इज अ कंप्लीटली अ वर्सेटाइल लेडी एंड अ वेरी प्रॉमिसिंग लेडी, अनु तक्षाली धनुका। आपका पहले तो मैं बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ अनु तक्षाली हमारे साथ न्यूज मीडिया 47 पर।
Thank you, Aarti. Thank you for a lovely introduction, and it's my pleasure to be here, like talking to you with everyone.
That's so very nice of you. Thank you so much. लेकिन इंट्रोडक्शन अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त क्योंकि इंट्रोडक्शन बहुत बड़ा है। मैं अपने व्यूअर्स को बता दूं कि अनु तक्षाली जी ना ही सिर्फ एक एंटरप्रेन्योर है, she has been a shield of many kids, थिंकर है, ब्यूटी पेजेंट विनर है, रेकी प्रैक्टिशनर है, डांसर है, सर्टिफाइड योगा प्रैक्टिशनर है। क्या छूट गया अनु? सीरियसली व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? अब कहाँ कैसे मतलब
एक जिंदगी है, you know, we have one life, and there are few things मैंने सिर्फ इसलिए किया just because, you know, when I was doing yoga, I really enjoy doing yoga, but when I was doing it, being as a student, I thought, I've been following what has been, instructed to me. कि अभी आपको breathe in करना है, breathe out करना है, आपको ये करना है, वो करना है. But why? So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कुछ भी चीज effective आपको तब लगती है when you know the science behind it. So that's why I went into my yoga training teaching and my Zumba training teaching, so that I can know exactly what muscle I am working on, what breathe I am working on. Okay. So that it affects me more, and I can be a thing, so that I can guide people more. If you are doing this, so because this thing is getting affected, so that's a right channel to do it.
So just to know more, तो इस सब की शुरुआत योगा से होती है.
Yoga, it's just an example. नहीं, it's in सबकी start हुई है my inclination towards my spiritualism. So जब like हल्का सा मुझे spiritualism की तरफ inclination था. So after marriage, I moved to US. So वहाँ पे I was blessed enough कि मुझे I found my Reiki master. Okay. I never thought I will do Reiki. I will start my Reiki journey. So Reiki journey was my ignite for everything. So once I was into it, so मेरे घर के एकदम पास में ही I found my Reiki master. Now I call her my Reiki mother as well. So she helped me, letting me know what are the importance of my dreams, what is me, basically knowing myself better, removing all the negativity, positivity, inflow of positivity. So this all helps. So gradually Reiki, and then I started with my baking, because over there I was all alone. So just me and my husband and like few bachelor friends, and so तो थोड़ा सा पैम्परिंग होना, ये सब करना. तो I was gradually मुझे I used to enjoy that cooking thing. वो करते करते I went into baking, and then after moving to India, what happened, like after moving to India, we thought to start an entrepreneur journey. We opened our company in which we were dealing with GPS tracker, logistics, and the security of logistics and all.
Anu, let me introduce the Director General and the founder first. क्योंकि viewers को ये बताना बहुत जरूरी है कि किस तरह की जर्नी से अनु जी निकली हैं और कितनी संस्थाओं को उन्होंने, कितने ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को स्थापित किया है. तो अगर मैं बात करूं अनु तक्षाली धनुआ की, तो डायरेक्टर जनरल एट धनुका इलेक्ट्रोरल प्राइवेट लिमिटेड है, फाउंडर डायरेक्टर है, सीईओ एट कियासा इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, एंड फाउंडर एंड सीईओ एट सेफो बडी किड्स. और साथ ही अभी इन्होंने कोविड के टाइम पर सेफो कार्ड सुपर मार्ट लॉन्च किया है. व्हाट इट इज ऑल अबाउट?
So this ये सब चीजें एक दूसरे से linked हैं. The first I started with me and my husband with Dhanuka Electrotech Private Limited. So in that we were just doing GPS and security, for providing security for logistics for small and big vehicles, as in trucks and all. So after that,
security
gradually,
in the sense we don't understand, Anu. Security in the
security
sense,
as in sense like abhi if people are aware, we use that for the trucks and all. What we use is the seal. जब हम like when we are traveling, when our goods are traveling from one place to another, we are using seal to protect it. We are using some GPS locks to protect it. Okay. But वो टूट जाते थे and उससे theft बहुत होता था. So we have a patented product, Safo Buddy locks. Okay. So via that lock, we really helped out, and Amazon is a vendor, DHL, Blue Dart, just name the big company, and our locks are there in that now. So that's a patented Safo Buddy locks, which is helping in, these are the locks which cannot be opened by anyone, just only by remote servers, which is hidden from outside. So because of this, also we have been nominated in Dubai by Intercon and have been awarded as like 50 most innovative ideas and the best technology award also. And the same you got for the Safo Kids also. Safo Kids, yeah. Safo Kids came into existence in 2017. Uska journey bhi, it was like my very private sort of journey. Actually, uska jo bana formation of Safo Buddy Kids. So it was like being a mother, like I have two daughters. So I was expecting with my second one in 2017. So as I told you, like from 2011 to 16, we have been providing logistics, security, and tracking for only the vehicles. So my daughter at that time, I live in Gurgaon. So sometimes it happens, when the child is playing down alone. My daughter was 7 at that time. So
Okay.
she went down, and I was not able to contact her. So I was a bit panicked. So we just thought, why not to introduce something which helps us to get connected with a child all time. So here come in existence the Safer Buddy Kids watches, which I initially imported from China, and so that just to know and let people, वो पहले भी आती थी, but the thing is उसकी visibility इतनी नहीं थी. So if product is there but the visibility nahi hoti, then there's no point. So seeing is believing, what I think is. So
Exactly.
I came up with this idea. So in these watches, we can get connected with a child all time. So it's a phone watch types. So your child can call you, you can call your child, and no anonymous calls are entertained. No anonymous call, as in like if I have stored 10 numbers in my child's watch phone book, so only those 10 numbers would be able to call or connect to my child. No 11th call.
Okay.
So this really helped me to get connected with my child, and now I'm very glad. Like many of my clients in Gurgaon, and now I'm shipping all over India and abroad also now. So they have been started using it, and since like all my journeys are interconnected. Then the Safer Buddy Kids, and then my journey for my pageant came into existence, because being a woman, uh, this is somehow a hidden, this was a hidden desire when I was in college also. Yes, I wanted to walk a ramp or something like that.
Okay.
वो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. So I was fortunate enough to found and got selected with Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide 2018 as a finalist. And in Greece, it happened. So among 10,000 ladies, top 100 were selected.
Oh my God.
So
And
yeah,
Anu was one of them.
I was one of them. I've been fortunate enough. Yeah, I've been selected. And among that, I've been I won the title of Mrs. Confident.
Okay.
Yeah, and face of Janice. So that was a multinational company from US. So in 2018, so that again boosted my confidence a lot. It helped me in my entrepreneurial journey a lot. And then this COVID times, when it was there, we just thought what was lacking is, a healthy connection between Kirana stores and, the residents. So I live in a condo. So when this thing was announced about the lockdown, people actually rushed, went down for all the Kirana stores to, stock up their groceries and all, because that was the first fear that comes to our mind. What if this thing ran out of the stores?
Exactly.
So even we were one of them. So we went down, and when I saw, a long line, so that was, again scary, because जहाँ पे आप सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग और फिजिकल डिस्टेंसिंग की बात कर रहे हैं, अब वहां पे आप इतना लंबा लाइन लगा के खड़े हैं फॉर द द बेसिक थिंग. So we just thought to provide a platform in which we can connect the Kirana stores with the residents. So we built up our application, so in which we made our Kirana stores came online, and we circulated that application to our fellow residents, so that they are able to order everything what they wanted from that particular Kirana store.
Okay.
So this,
So you created a
yeah,
bridge.
yes, we try to create that platform which can help to, and that will again save, that the help in that physical distancing thing, that will help in the people's time, and that will again help the local Kirana stores also not to lose their business. Because उनके साथ क्या हो रहा था, in that particular shop, एक छोटी सी shop में, if 10 people are coming, it's not good, safe for them also.
Exactly.
And if they are not coming, बहुत rush भी होता है, and they were not able to manage it. Now when they are getting everything online orders, ki you have to deliver, say stuff X in a house, so you will be able to do that, cater easily. and no cash transaction, so that no cash touching was there. So this was the idea of, creating the Safo card. Then gradually we had the few problems, like, they were not able to cater everything under, from one place. So few problems were started coming. So we just
Okay.
thought, why not to, make a warehouse or something, open our own mart from where we can only source and we can provide the service. So here come in the existing the Safo card. So we karte, because being a consumer first, I just thought, I would like my ये भी होना चाहिए, वो भी होना चाहिए. US में रहकर आई तो I used to miss few products, like, वहाँ पे there was a one-stop shop. Like if I'm going to Walmart or any other place, I used to get everything under one roof, like good beauty products, art supplies. There was a corner for child, there was a corner for men, there was a corner for, health and beauty supplements. Then fruits and veggies were there. सब चीजें एक जगह मिलना, यहाँ पे I couldn't see any place where we can
Okay.
get everything. So I just try to build that place. So my husband is a techie, so he helped in like improving more that application, and he built up a nice application. So via which now we are delivering entire Gurgaon entirely free of cost. So now
Entirely free of
being in
cost.
sector 6, yeah. So no delivery charges are there.
Okay, then
So,
how you manage your cost then?
The idea behind opening this mart was to help people. Yeah, definitely everything has to be, done. But if we are having a bulk orders, so वो cost manage हो जाती है. And runners जो थे मेरे खुद के थे, because, because of this COVID time, my GPS thing went हल्का सा down.
Okay.
Reason इतने cabs नहीं थे. So, the GPS इतना अच्छा नहीं हो पा रहा था perform. So rather than laying off our runners who were working in our other company, we just thought, to उनको यहाँ पे हम लोग employ कर लेते हैं, so that we can use them. We will not deploy anyone, but rather, it will help everyone.
Okay.
So we actually moved few of our employees from our previous company to this supermart, so that हमारा जो family, वो जो bond है हमारा, like our work culture is more of a family culture, so वो continue रहे. So we should not do that thing. So we just tried that thing, and if you are getting bulk orders, so वो cost वो हो जाती है.
Okay.
So and we have recently opened 2 more marts. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Beauty marts, just to make more visibility, and this is a little bit.
I'm really speechless. अनु, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि किस चीज से निकलकर दूसरी चीज पर मैं कैसे पहुंचूं और क्या पूछूं, क्योंकि अनु के पास तो इतना कुछ है करने के लिए. और अनु, एक बात तो समझ में आ गई, जहां आप कंफ्यूज होती है वहां आप अपने लिए रास्ता तो बनाती ही हैं, साथ ही लोगों के लिए भी बना देती है. ये जरूर मुझे समझ में आया. मतलब आपको लगा कि मेरी बेटी नीचे है तो उसकी सेफ्टी का इशू है, तो सभी बच्चों के लिए आपने सेफो किट्स बना दिया.
Definitely, being a mom.
Exactly.
Being a mom first, मैं समझ सकती हूँ वो जो पैनिक था, अटैक जो मैंने उस वक्त फील किया था. I can feel that, and I'm very, ऐसी काफी सारी टेस्टिमोनीज हैं मुझसे मेरी like फेलो मॉम्स ने शेयर किए हैं, कि बच्चे नीचे चले गए हैं, वो फोन नहीं उठा रहे हैं, like we are not able to find them, वो बच्चे ऊपर नहीं आ रहे हैं, बच्चे छुप गए हैं. So at least with the tracker you can find the location of your child. Not to
Exactly.
Keep a watch on them, but just to make sure they are safe and secure.
No, it's a fantastic idea. It's a wonderful idea. Being a mother, I also want that smartwatch for my daughter also. But मैं यही कह रही थी कि जहाँ अनु को रास्ता दिखाई नहीं देता, वो अपने लिए तो बनाती ही है, साथ ही लोगों के लिए भी बनाती है. Safo Mart is a wonderful example, and जिस तरह से आप काम कर रही हैं, definitely it will go up to heights. जितना हम सोच भी नहीं सकते उतनी heights तक जाएगा. Now coming on to the artist part. Artist part हमारा छूट रहा है. अनु, dancer. How? And a painter too,
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, so I'm a painter too. I started this thing when I was,
time मिल जाता है आपको?
painting to me is like a meditation. So when I paint my heart out, I feel, you know, stressed out. मैं बहुत जब stressed out होती हूँ तब मैं I prefer to paint and, you know, pour on my colors. So that really helps me. Though I started my painting thing because of my daughter. So she really wants to do whatever, you know, I do. So just because of her, I thought, oh, okay, I'm painting, so you also paint. So I started painting this way. So
Okay.
me and we both used to sit together, put a canvas, you know, and choose one painting, and then used to paint together. Karte 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 karte, I realized, you know, this is making me really happy. So I started painting canvases one after one, each like, you know, one by one, one after other. And when it started selling off also, तो वो काफी motivation मुझे आने लगा. So when, you know, everybody goes to sleep, or when I am alone, so I prefer doing painting rather than sitting. And, you know, I am not a TV person at all.
Okay.
So I really don't watch TV. So I rather prefer, you know, picking up a painting or whatever my thoughts are, to pour it in, you know, at one canvas. It makes me feel light and happy.
Okay, then what about dancing? How you pursue that?
Dancing, I'm not pursuing as in, like, you know, but yeah, I again do it. I learned it. I learned belly dancing. I started learning my belly dancing for my pageant.
Okay.
So what happened, like in pageant, we've been asked to perform something on, you know, something unique. So I just thought to do a belly dancing. I'm from Rajasthan, Jaipur. So I chose a song which helped, you know, in which I did a Rajasthani song with the belly dancing.
Oh.
So I just thought, you know, it would be a bit of different and exciting as well. And belly dancing did really help me in, you know, in my PCOD. I have a PCOD issue, that polycystic ovary syndrome. So उसमें अगर आप belly dancing करते हो, it really helps. So I really thank my belly dancing teacher, Sakshi Malik. So she guided me well. She helped me out, and we have this thing also. You know, the belly dancing is only, you know, it's a dance. It's a cure. It's a, you know, it's a very good davai, I must say, and which every woman should practice. It helps to cure your pelvic area a lot. So this is how my, you know, the dancing thing started.
Okay. Now we come to know from some sources that अनु की जो इंस्पिरेशन है वो उनकी मदर है, बिकॉज आपकी मदर ने आपको प्रिंसिपल सिखाए, द 5 प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ पीस, तो वो जरूर हम जानना चाहेंगे.
Thank you. Yeah, for sure. You know, like I really feel happy and, you know, and proud, like have been, because of my mom. Mama sirf, she wanted me to, she just taught me, you know, few things to follow for lifetime. So those 5 P's were like, she says ki always, you know, do whatever you do with passion. So whatever you choose, just remember you should have passion in it, and you should do, you know, wo lagna chahiye. So no work is small, no work is high, whatever you choose. So passion is the first P. Do with do it with all your power, you know.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. So passion, power, and then do it with all your, you know, never lose patience. What happens is, when we have a passion for anything and we are putting all our power to it, we intend to lose patience if the result is not coming.
Okay.
So, you know, have patience. Sometimes होता है कि आज आपको रिजल्ट नहीं मिल रहा, but you never know what it is preparing you for.
Exactly.
हो सकता है कि कल कुछ आने वाला ऐसा हो जिसके लिए आपको प्रिपेयर कर रहा हो. So have patience, and that will eventually brings peace to you. And क्योंकि when we have patience, तो it really helps. So ये सब चीजें अगर आप फॉलो करते जाते हो तो it and never never forget, never bring any negativity in you. So positivity is my 5th P. So always be positive. So it's okay, there is a lot of negativity around you, and that my Reiki also helped me. Again, you know, positivity it gets connected. It really helped me, क्योंकि हमारे चारों तरफ बहुत नेगेटिविटी होती है कई बार. And if just with your simple smile, if you're smiling, I don't know the people I'm meeting वो उनका mood कैसा है, you know what they are going through, and if you're smiling, if you have that positivity, it might help to that other person जिसको आप जानते भी नहीं हो, पर आप उसके बस प्यार से एक बार मिलकर हाय कहते हो, you know, अब smile that उसके जो चेहरे पे स्माइल आती है, that कभी कभी that makes your day as well. So this, yes, so passion, power, you know, and patience, peace, and positive, a lot of positivity in you. So just keep these 5 P's in your mind and in your heart, and you're sorted. And that's true.
Definitely.
पहले समझ में नहीं आता था, but you know, gradually जैसे जैसे आप बढ़ते हो, आगे जाते हो लाइफ में, when you start analyzing things and you start using those things, no, you realize these are the magic words.
And you start getting results also.
Yes, for sure.
डेफिनेटली अनु इज अ परफेक्ट एग्जांपल्स ऑफ 5 P's जो इनकी मदर से इनको मिले और इनसे हमें मिले, एंड वी आर ऑल्सो वेरी पॉजिटिव. नाउ जैसे कि कहा जाता है कि हार्ड वर्क इज लाइक अ स्टेयर्स एंड लक इज लाइक अ गिफ्ट. लाइफ रुक सकती है दोस्त, लेकिन सीढ़ियां आपको यकीनन ऊंचाई तक ले जाती है, और उन्हीं सीढ़ियों पे चढ़ते हुए अनु आज ऊंचाइयों के बहुत नजदीक है. तो अनु, मैं आगे आपसे अगर जानना चाहूँ तो फ्यूचर गोल्स वो क्या है? व्हाट इज लेफ्ट?
I'm a person who lives in my present and who believes in present, because present is, you know, is the only thing which you have in your hands. I don't believe in putting a threshold or a, you know, a limit to my dreams or to my future कि मुझे ये इस यहाँ तक पहुँचना है या फिर यहाँ तक पहुँचना है, because that will again, you know, stop me from going from this place to that place. So I totally believe जो है वो आज है. भगवान रोज नए टास्क हमको देता है, you know, he gives every day new task. You better perform your task what is given today to you. 100% जान लगा दो, and tomorrow would be, you know, future would be your it would be a brightened future. You know, you can't waste your time, you know, thinking about future rather than बहुत ज्यादा future सोचने से मुझे ऐसा लगता है, you know, I'm not living in my present. So I believe today, completely present person, working hard towards it.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत बात कही आपने कि आज को जियो, कल के बारे में सोचना है, लेकिन कल के बारे में सोच के आज को खराब नहीं करना है. द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल थिंग इज दिस. एंड मुझे एक बात याद आ रही है, एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम, फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट एंड एरोस्पेस साइंटिस्ट, उन्होंने कहा था कि सपने वो नहीं है जो आप रात को सोते समय देखते हैं, सपने वो हैं जो आपको सोने नहीं देते हैं. और कुछ ऐसे ही सपनों के साथ अनु जूझ रही है और उन्हें पूरा करती जा रही है. सबसे खूबसूरत बात है कि आप उन्हें पूरा करती जा रही है. अनु, अब वक्त तो चला है कि आपसे चलते चलते कुछ में ऐसे मैसेजेस जो आप समाज को देना चाहती हैं, तो वो क्या रहेंगे? अ कीनोट एड्रेस इफ यू वांट टू गिव अ कीनोट मैसेज.
You know, the first and the foremost thing, never lose confidence on yourself. Believe in yourself, you can do it. Never stop following your dreams. कोई चीज खराब नहीं होती है, कोई चीज सही नहीं होती है. Don't judge yourself, you know, this is not the right time, this is not the bad, you know, the wrong time. Just believe in yourself and work towards it. You will certainly get the best and what you deserve for.
That's a fantastic thing. Thank you so much, Anu, for joining us on News Media 47.
Thank you, Aarti, and thank you all my listeners for, you know, listening me. And
yeah, not only listening you, they also grab all the positivity from you and all those 5 P's. ये सभी हम ले रहे हैं अपने listeners के लिए भी, अपने viewers के लिए और खुद के लिए भी. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aarti.
ओके तो आज तो थी अनु तक्षाली धनु जो हमारे साथ थी, जो कि ना सिर्फ एंटरप्रेन्योर है, शील्ड मेकिंग किड्स के लिए उन्होंने सेफो किड्स बनाए हैं, थिंकर है, ब्यूटी पेजेंट है, मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर हैं, रेकी प्रैक्टिशनर हैं, डांसर, सर्टिफाइड योगा प्रैक्टिशनर, एंड वी विश हर गुड लक के आप और तरक्की करें और ऐसी बहुत सी चीजें आपके दिमाग में आए जिनको आप पूरा करें और वो देश के लिए, लोगों के लिए सहायक हो। मैं आरजे आरती मल्होत्रा आप सभी से लेती हूँ विदा इस खूबसूरत नोट के साथ कि ड्रीम डोंट बिकम रियलिटी थ्रू मैजिक, दे रिक्वायर स्वेट, डिटर्मिनेशन एंड हार्ड वर्क। और इस हार्ड वर्क को बिल्कुल ना भूलिए, ना डिटर्मिनेशन को भूलिए और हमारे साथ यूं ही बने रहिए। स्पॉटलाइट की सीरीज में आगे फिर होगी आपसे मुलाकात हमारे किसी ना किसी खास मेहमान के साथ। डोंट फॉरगेट टू like our channel, subscribe our channel and share our links. Stay tuned, stay safe, stay healthy. I RJ Aarti Malhotra take a leave of you. Thank you so much.